Wala naman talaga akong ibang dahilan kung hindi pasayahin si Mami. Siguro may mali rin ako.
Today's top stories. National Security Advisor Norberto Gonzales meets with Estrada but denies they discussed a pardon. A doctor in the Mendez fraternity death gets a summons from the NBI. An actor-turned-congressman calls for separate congressional inquiry of the Wawawi controversy. Abroad, Honduras stock up on food as hurricane approaches. On lifestyle check, Maverick shows off his collection of muscle cars.
Talks of a possible pardon for former President Estrada are heating up after one of the president's men admitted to visiting Erap at his rest house in Tanay. Our Malacanang correspondent Joey Francisco has that story.
Before anyone thinks more than what it really is, National Security Advisor Norberto Gonzales quickly explained that his recent visit to former President Estrada in Tanay was merely a friendly visit.
Well, medyo nagkataon nga yata ito, no? Pero wala naman akong intention na ma-influencean in any other way kung ano magiging desisyon. Mula nung na-hospital siya sa Hong Kong, medyo nagkaroon kami ng magandang parang kaibigan ni President Erap. No? So now and then I visit him.
Gonzales adds the visit was purely a personal choice and that he didn't even ask permission from President Arroyo. The visit comes just days before the Sandigan Bayan is expected to issue its verdict on Erap's plunder case. There's also a lot of buzz about negotiations for a possible pardon for the deposed president. Secretary Gonzales says he didn't offer Estrada anything and Erap didn't ask for anything either. But he admits advising Estrada not to support alleged destabilization plans by some people close to him. President Arroyo remained distant on the issue of giving her predecessor pardon. But in her opening statement during the cabinet meeting today, she spoke of the importance of healing and reconciliation for the country to move forward.
Sa mga dekadang nagdaan, nagkaroon din ng pagkakataong ganito ang ating bansa. So balik dahil sa mga ligalig sa politika, natakot ang mga investor at nahinto ang pag-unlad. Ngayon, bumabalik ng kapital at negosyo at dapat tayo magkapit-bisig upang wakasan ng higwaan, ligalig at dahas na tumakot sa mga mamumuhunan noon.
But even if most palace officials shy away from talking about pardon for Erap, Interior and Local Government Secretary Ronaldo Puno, a former Estrada official, thinks an Erap pardon may not be far-fetched after all. Joey Francisco, ABC News.
Power rates are going down this month, but that's still no cause for celebration.